The ketogenic diet is all about fueling your body with fat for energy and clarity. Imagine a world where you can tap into your body's natural ability to burn fat instead of relying on carbs. That's the essence of keto. When you shift your diet to high fats, moderate proteins, and very low carbohydrates, your body enters a state called ketosis. In ketosis, your liver converts fat into ketones, which then become your primary source of energy. This can lead to improved mental clarity and focus as your brain thrives on these ketones. Now, let's talk about the benefits. One of the most exciting aspects of the ketogenic diet is its potential for weight loss. When your body is in ketosis, it becomes a fat-burning machine. You're not just losing weight, you're reshaping your relationship with food. Many people report feeling more satisfied and less hungry, which can make it easier to stick to the plan. Plus, you can enjoy delicious foods like avocados, nuts, cheese, and fatty cuts of meat. It's a diet that doesn't leave you feeling deprived. But it's not just about weight loss. The ketogenic diet has been linked to various health benefits, including improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, and even enhanced athletic performance. Athletes often find that once they adapt to burning fat for fuel, they experience sustained energy levels without the crashes that come from high-carb diets. Transitioning to a ketogenic lifestyle can be a bit challenging at first. You might experience what's known as the keto flu, which can include symptoms like fatigue and irritability as your body adjusts. But don't let that discourage you. Staying hydrated, replenishing electrolytes, and gradually reducing carbs can help ease this transition. As you embark on this journey, it's essential to listen to your body. Everyone's experience with keto can be different. Some people thrive on a strict ketogenic diet, while others may find a more moderate approach works better for them. Experimenting with your macronutrient ratios can help you find what feels best for you. And here's a fun fact to keep in mind. Did you know that the ketogenic diet was originally developed in the 1920s as a treatment for epilepsy? It's fascinating how something that started as a medical intervention has evolved into a popular lifestyle choice for many seeking better health and wellness. If you found this information helpful and inspiring, consider liking this video, subscribing for more insights, or sharing your own experiences in the comments below. Your journey matters, and connecting with others can make all the difference.